Hello everyone. So today we'll see how to create virtual environment in Python, and we will take help of Anaconda. So using Anaconda we will create virtual environment. So to do that we can open terminal, and for that you should have Anaconda already installed. So to check whether it is installed or not, we can simply write conda and we can hit enter, and we will get this kind of output. So that means Anaconda is installed. Next, we need to create a virtual environment. So for that, uh, we can type conda create and then hyphen n, and then we can give our virtual workspace or virtual environment a name. So I'm giving here is Python env. You can give any name, and after that we need to give Python. We can specify the version. If we will not specify, it will install the same version with the Python which you are having in your system, and if you specify it, it will install Python of that version for that virtual environment. Okay, that is all you need to write, and then just hit enter, and it will install all the required libraries, and it will create environment. We can keep y and again hit enter, and it will install all the required thing, and it will create the environment. So once environment is created, we can activate it. We can see here, to activate this environment, use conda activate python env. So we will do that. Conda activate python env, and we can hit enter. So now we can see our virtual environment is activated. Now we can check which Python version is installed in this environment. So we can see we have 3.8.19. So as we have given 3.8, so it have installed the same Python in this particular environment. Now why we do that, why we create a virtual environment when we start a project? So the main reason why we do it is to keep libraries separately. For example, if today I am working on project A, and tomorrow, after not tomorrow but after 15 days, we need to work on project B. So that time when we install library, uh, it should be separate library, because each time when we install libraries, it install with a particular version, and uh, these version will be updated with time. So it should not clash, and to keep it clean also, we create this environment. So it is always recommended, whenever you start a new project, you create a virtual environment and install all the library related to that project only. So I will quickly show you how we can install library here in our virtual environment. So let's say we want to install pandas, so we can install pandas by writing pip install pandas, and once we do that, it will install pandas in our Python environment only, our virtual environment only. So that is how we create an environment and we install library in that particular environment, and after that we can work in this environment. We can like import pandas as pd. So it is installed and we are able to import it. Okay, thank you. If you have any question, please do comment, and if it is helpful, do like the video. Thank you.